turn it like that. Bring it like just a little right there. That's pretty dope. That's pretty dope. I'm gonna bring this baby bad boy over some more, and we in that bed. Like, let's go. Ooh, shit, yeah. Ooh. What's up, guys? Back with another video. It's your boy Roast Snap Entertainment. Alright, so listen, I got a new product. It's new to you guys, but it's old to me. But the best thing I could say about this device I'm going to show you is a must-have if you're a photographer. This is something that you want to use, you know, when you go out to your events, vlogs, or make content, or if you just want to, you know, keep a memory of all the things that you've done. The best way to do it if you're just a one-man show is gonna be with this device right here. I'm gonna show you. Bam! This baby right here is small, but it's very, very reliable. In any kind of conditions that you need, I would say this would be the best device for any photographer that wants to keep a record of everything that he's been doing. So definitely get this alongside you. You can put it anywhere. This is the Gopro Hero 7 Black. This boy right here saved me a lot of footage that I haven't even caught. I could use this too and put in my videos. A lot of people don't know that. Bam, that bad boy right there. Matter of fact, this boy, just playing. I'm just trying to find a thumbnail, you know. But this, actually I might keep that thumbnail. That thumbnail is actually dope. I'm gonna definitely use that thumbnail. Definitely. Hold on. Maybe if I zoom in a little bit more. Maybe if I do this. Hold up. Bam. Whoo! Thumbnail. Alright. So anyways, definitely recommend the GoPro Black Hero 7. A lot of people think these bad boys don't really do much. This is more for sports action, but you could actually use this for a lot of reasons. You can shoot 4K footage and stuff like that. You can even throw it in there too. The GoPro Hero Black can also be through like rain. You could be in the water. I think it was 30 feet or something like that. If it's 30 feet, then you need the little glass, I forgot what they call it, the mount, whatever. If you look it up, you'll figure it out. But it definitely comes with it. It comes with, sometimes you could buy it, it'll come with it too. So definitely useful. If you want to go snorkeling, you want to catch underwater footage, if you want to catch, if you're doing underwater photography, this boy right here will save you so many things. And it's not that bad. It's not as expensive as an actual camera, and it takes pictures too. So that's another plus. You can take pictures on the water, you can take pictures in the rain, you can take pictures in the daylight, you can do whatever. This thing goes wherever you go. If you're on a plane and you can't carry a big ass camera, you don't want to carry all that camera equipment, and you just want to vlog, whatever, boom, here you go. If it's more private, if you're going to a part where it's like they don't want the big cameras and all that, you don't want to look so noticeable as a photographer, and you're just trying to be low key here with your family, but you see something beautiful that you want to capture on a video or pictures, this is your go-to friend right here. And I recommend this. I've been dying to get one of these actually, and I finally got it for myself. And let me say it, this is what I usually use mostly when I'm going, if I have somewhere to go and I just can't bring my bag or anything else, and I just need a camera. I can put this thing actually in my pocket. Look, I'm actually showing you an example. It's on my little mount, but I'm gonna take it out and show you guys how small it is. Like, look how small it is, bro. This little guy is so small, and he does so much damage. Look at that. Look. It's so small. Like you can't beat this. You really can't, man. You can't beat this. And if this thing breaks, you could change that. Like, you could just twist it off and put another one on. Bam. They have the 8, and I think they come out with the 9. I don't know if they came out with it yet, but I don't really care because this is all I need. The stabilization, I don't even have to use a gimbal. I don't need a gimbal. I don't need to spend all this money for a gimbal. If you're on a budget and you're just trying to start video vlogging, definitely this guy right here. I mean, I could vlog with it. I'll probably do it on the next video, show you an example, because I could actually not set this up and just put this on there and I'm good to go. But because, you know, it's accessible, I already have it, it's already set up, why bother, you know, whatever. And you could get like a little tripod, a stick that could turn into a tripod. Very useful, like very useful for any conditions. But this is what it looks like in the pocket. Hold on, let me get myself right. Look, just slide it in like that. Look, can you see it? Look at this. Whoop. Good to go. It's like you won't even notice it on me, bro. Like, how about cell phone? I can take this. I can put it with my cell phone. I can just do this, like, you know, have it together and just put it right back in my pocket like that. No big deal. See? Boom. Ready to go. Boom. I don't even have to do all that. If I want to take a quick little video, boom, 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 I can hold it in my hand and it's still stabilized. That's what's amazing about this thing. I don't think there's anything wrong with this, to be honest with you. I haven't found a flaw with this thing yet. It doesn't zoom in. It does, but it's not as, you know, good as it would be with a real lens. But the quality on this thing is amazing, bro. You can do whatever you want. You can even have, it comes with things where you can put on your hand. You can just GoPro as you're taking photos. Some people I know, like some of my friends, they'll flip it upside down, mount it underneath the camera as you're taking the picture for example videos. And that's really, this thing comes in handy for that. Like, it's versatile. You can't beat this. And I mean, I'm not trying to sell you this thing or nothing like that. I'm not even getting sponsored for this. Honestly, this is straight coming from me, myself, and I. Like, my experience with this is amazing. I just used it today. I wanted to go get a haircut. I did a little vlog. You might see. I might put that up there too. I might show you an example on my vlog. I put it in the video too, or even the link. I might put a link with it, so it might be in the link description, but not right now. But it might be in the link description. Maybe. I'll think about it. But if not, you can search it up. I'll probably have a link for it. But yes, this bad boy here is the wave. The wave, bro. The wave. See that? Look. Ooh, and the build quality is just amazing. Look down here. That's where the battery goes, right? And the memory card. I'll open it for you guys. Come on, since I'm not using it. Look, you can see. I don't know if you can see it. Look in there. See that? The battery is right here. And right here is actually the memory card. So it's all in one little spot. You can close it, boom, you're ready to go. It's nothing hard. And it comes with extra batteries. You get extra batteries. I have 3 batteries and it lasts me. I never ran out of batteries, honestly. I never ran out of batteries. Like, ever. Like, every time I run out, and it comes with a case, they can charge 2 batteries at the same time. You can't beat that price, man. You really can't. Oh, another dope thing it has, actually, I'm gonna try to show it to you. This shit will blow your mind. Wait for it. I took off the settings because I didn't really need it at the time. But I could actually do a lot of stuff like this. Like you can do the beep noise, it make the noise, but I'm gonna do it just for the video. Sometimes I put it on silent because I don't really want to hear the beeping. If I just want to do like something quick and record without it making all that noise, I put it on silent mode and all that stuff too. So that's my phone. You guys didn't hear that? Hold on. Put that on. That's so rude of me. Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm doing. But, so, example 1. Let me bring it back to normal. GoPro, start recording. Look at that. Can you believe that? It's already recording, and I'm gonna put this in the video too because I'm actually doing both videos at the same time. GoPro, stop recording. Look at that. It listens. It listens, bro. So I could actually have this on a stick if I want to. I could literally put this on a stick, right? And if I don't have a remote control for it, I could just voice activate it. GoPro, turn off. You can't be. I'm pretty sure some of you are mind blown by this, and a lot of people might go get this. I got this for about, it was expensive at first, but I was able to get this at eBay. No, not eBay. What I'm talking about. I got it at Best Buy for I think it was like on a good sale. I think it was like $250. But you know, I got some accessories and stuff. It came with about $320. Got a lot of stuff for that though, and my warranty warranty, 3-year warranty, 2-year warranty, or whatever. I have warranty on it, so if it breaks, even though it's durable, I can do whatever I want with it, throw it up. If I drop it, I don't care. I have warranty on this bad boy, so it doesn't matter to me. But that's what's even better. You don't have to be so scared to break it. You can break this and you can change it. It's like probably cheap to get one of these replaceables, bro. Get it. And you can use this to even do BTS behind the scenes. Behind the scenes is actually good too for your records, your portfolio as a photographer. So definitely I recommend getting one of these, man. Get one of these, bro. No, seriously, get it. I'll see if I can put a link to it so you could definitely go on eBay or go to Best Buy, but definitely get it. Something you want to have. Another thing I like about this thing, time lapse. It does have time lapse now. This was dope. It comes with mounts that you can put in your car. So if you do, a lot of people that do Uber have this too. So you got free safety, or somebody tries to lie on you and say that you did this or whatever to them. Or if you want to turn it, flip it towards the traffic. If you get into a car accident, this bad boy will catch that motherfucker. No cap. Save your ass with a nice lawyer. Have that footage ready. Case one, end the story. Go about your day with some money in your pocket. And you probably buy more of these babies. But pranks, definitely the go-to thing right here. So if you want to prank your loved ones or your friends or anything, these are the nice inconspicuous cameras. You can put it anywhere. They won't see it. Just put something over it like that. Just like that. And there you go. Now you're a YouTuber, you can use this for YouTube, honestly. You don't even need a big camera, you just need this. And I think it comes with accessories where you can put like another case over it, add in like an extra battery, you could add in a microphone, you could add in a lot of stuff to it. So definitely try that, all right? I recommend it. I don't think you'll go wrong with this. And yeah, definitely go with this, man. I'll show you some example videos probably on the next video, or you'll probably see me vlogging with this a lot, so you're gonna see a lot of my quality. It has 4K, 1080, 2K or some shit like that. But I think I use 2K actually. I actually use that the most because in between it's not too much. I like it. It has 60 frames per second, bro. You could slow down footage. You can slow down footage with this motherfucker. So when you get into your editing, you can actually slow it down. So let's say you're jumping in the water, or you're about to dive into like a fucking lake, whatever. You could actually slow it down, smooth, buttery footage, and you could color grade. Bro, can't go wrong with this. This is like the fucking brother to the fucking Canon or the Nikon or any the DSLR cameras. This is the next level. Definitely the next level. It's coming, and that's why I'm starting to watch it, because I didn't know GoPro was so good, but I've heard about it. I bought the cheap ones, and those weren't so good. Get the original. Get the original project, man. It's way better. So GoPro Hero 7, recommend it. So you guys tune into the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. There's more videos to come every week. Don't worry, I'm gonna make sure I stay on top of this. I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna keep going because I need to help you guys out. I need to explain. I might try to do like a camera tutorial, how to work the camera. A lot of people want to know that, but I'm gonna build to that. I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm gonna give you some of the secrets, some of the settings. I might even do like a field, probably show you a couple of examples with one of my models. If you are a model in the Broward or Miami area and you're on a collab and stuff like that, I'm open to that too. Just reach out. You can DM me at my Instagram page, ro.stop.entertainment. You can reach out there. I'll definitely answer back and let you guys know. But yeah, stay tuned to the next video.